안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. In today's video, I'll be doing a K-pop nail art inspired by ASTRO's baby music video. If you want to check out their music video, the link is available on the description box below. Now without further ado, let's get started. On my ring nail, I applied sky blue nail polish. Then on my pinky, I used red. And for my index, middle, and thumbnail, I applied white nail polish. And of course, underneath these base colors is my peel-off base coat. Then I put some magic tapes on my index and middle nail because I'll be doing a gradient. For my gradient, I'll be using the colors of the outline of the store from this part of their music video. I'm using orange, yellow, and mint green for my ombre on my index nail. Then, dab it onto your nail and repeat painting and dabbing until you reach full opacity. Next, for my middle nail gradient, I'm using mint green, sky blue, and purple. Then, dab it onto your nail. Then, after the cleanup for my ring and middle nail, I applied Topcoat. For my thumbnail, I'll be doing a gradient with the colors of the decoration on the ceiling of this part of the music video. I picked the lighter versions of each colors because I wanted to add some designs later. Then again, dab it onto your nail. After that, I applied some silver holographic top coat to my gradients. For my ring nail, I'll be applying random dots of white, gray, dark blue, and mint green. This will represent this part of the music video. Then on my pinky nail, I'll paint a white crescent moon. This will represent moonbeam strength. Then let's go back to my index nail. First, paint 04 in white acrylic paint. Why 04? Because this is ASTRO's 4th mini album. Then after that, paint it with a purple shade. Then on my middle nail, let's paint the word dream. I started painting E in the middle. Then I added the remaining letters. Oh, and in case you're wondering why I added the word dream, it's because it is the title of their 4th mini album. Then after that, paint it with purple. Then on my thumbnail, I painted ASTRO's name. After painting and letting them dry, let's apply top coat. I really hope that all of you enjoyed today's video and kindly give it a big thumbs up. If you think your friends would love this video, never forget to share this with them. Oh, and please subscribe before you leave. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!